Hey guys, Vinny here. Welcome to my first MLB 9 innings 26 video. First of all, my name is Vinicius. I'm from Brazil, and excuse my English. It's not my first language. So if I make any mistakes, excuse me already. But I'll try my best, okay? Today I'm here with my brand new, well, not brand new, but my new White Sox deck. I have this team for almost a month now, and let's see what the team is looking like. We have Giolito 20, Chris Sale Prime, a couple normal cards, Hendrix Prime. We have Dick Allen, Sig, aka the best, White Sox better. We have Ponerco Prime, Durham Prime, and a couple other normal cards. Funny story, I was just studying a Padres deck, so I started a new account, and when I bought the 3000 stars pack, I pulled a diamond Dick Allen. So I thought, okay, I was planning to do a Padres deck, but White Sox it is. And now we are here. So this is what we're doing today. I have a couple special SIG packs, 3 SIG player packs, and a TSS. We have a Team Select Prime that will open. Let's see who we can get. As far as SIGs, well, there is a lot of options. I have only 2 SIGs right now, but Rodon would be nice, huh? Sale 2, maybe Frank Thomas. As far as the primes, I'm hoping to pull Tim Anderson or Quentin, since I already have Konerko and Durham. So no more talking. Let's begin the pack opening. We will start with the Team Select Prime or the SIG. I guess the primes first. Okay. Oh well, I'll open some Diamond Team Select first. Let's go. White Sox. What do you guys think? What you guys think about this new animation, huh? I kind of like it. Well, yeah, not so many good cards. Let's try the Diamond Player Selective. No White Sox. I'll go Gaussman here. I can use him for mentor. Let's try again. Again, no White Sox, no primes. I'll go Morton. And the last one. Well, maybe I just forgot to refresh the other pack, guys. I'm a little bit nervous. Well, it's gone now. I'll take the vintage. Let's try the Team Selected packs now. Well, a bunch of silvers, 1 gold. Nothing much. Let's skip to the primes now. Okay, we're looking for Tim Anderson. Let's hope that's him. Okay. Well, it's oh no, it's a dupe. Come on, man. Give me Kimbrel. Let's jump into the six packs. The three normals first. This new animation is something else. Okay. Whoa! Come, a dupe, man. I have two Team 6 and I just pulled a dupe. What the hell is going on? Oh, this is crazy. I was so excited when I saw this White Sox logo come. Give me a break. Let's try this special for now. Oh, a diamond. Right first. Davis. That's a nice card. 69 base. Let's try the mirror now. Adames 21. Well, could it be a Sox here? Let's hope. Come on. Oh, Cubs. Nice card. My Cubs deck could use him. I'll go for the diamond here, of course. Let's try again. Come on. No, all silvers. Let's go left first. The Young, 19. Nice card. Now, Brendan Lau. And Marte. I'll go De Jong. It's the best card of the bunch. Now for the TSS. I don't think I can dupe again, guys. Zeke Allen only has 1 year, and I pulled 2 Giolitos. If it comes another Giolito, maybe I'll delete the account, okay? Dupe. Let's see who we got. Starting pitcher. Whoa, McDowell. Wow, that's a nice card. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Let's see the collection here. Yeah, it's not one of the tops, but it's right here. Yeah, it's a nice card. It could be way worse. I'll GI him for sure when the special shop GI comes. Yeah, he'll be in my rotation for sure. Well, I guess this is it. Thank you for watching. Excuse my language and all the other things I've done wrong. I was a little bit nervous. This is the first video I've ever recorded to YouTube of any kind, let alone on a language that is not my first language. Okay, so I hope you enjoy. Maybe I'll do more videos. I have a Cubs deck, a Phillies deck, a Yankees main deck. and maybe I'll have a better luck with the other teams. But it was nice. It was nice. Thank you guys. See you.